Right, this is another one that I've used this before. Again, surprised at the number of people that don't know that this is a thing or exists. It's so handy. If I go to my VTScada application and I want to see all the tags that are, where on earth is my application? I've got so many windows open, it's hard to see. There we go. If I want to see all the tags that are still marked as questionable, so again, it's maybe worth just touching on questionable. The questionable flag is always set by default. It's on the quality tab of every tag in VTScada, and it's just a toggle. It's just a tick box. Harry goes, what on earth is that for? We typically use it for commissioning. It's a commissioning tool, so it allows you to be able to go through and see, have I commissioned this particular tag? And handily in VTScada, we can actually go into the tag browser here and filter on if any particular things, or show me only tags that are questionable. And there's a list of all the tags that are questionable. So I can actually filter down and just see that list. Then as you use, okay, what do I still have to commission? I can go in there, tick them off, toggle the flags, and we're done. There's a few filtering options in there that's really handy, and I just think it's an underused feature. So you can say, show me tags that only have manual data. So if you've been going in and putting manual data into your system, again, it's something that you might want to be able to see in one single place. Nice little filtering feature. And of course, you can filter by name, area, description, any of these things, or as part of any equipment type.